Hello everybody. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sync a new Shopify store into your Boardroom dashboard. Before I get started with that, I just wanted to note that if you signed up for Boardroom through the Shopify App Store, then your Shopify store's data will automatically come over into your account. But if you signed up through our website, you'll need to follow this process. And if you wanted to sync a second store into your Boardroom dashboard or a third store, you would also always follow this process as well. So I'm logged into Boardroom here, and from the home page, I could click this Actions dropdown and then sync a store. I could also come over to the Settings page and click Add New Store here. It's going to take me to the same place. So I'm going to choose Shopify and then click the Sync button here. And now I'm taken to the Connect Your Shopify store, where I can paste in my Shopify URL right here. So we have this built out so you can put almost anything into this field and we'll figure out how to sync your Shopify store. But the best way is just to come over into your Shopify dashboard, copy the URL, and paste it right here into this field. If you're on a mobile device, you can come over to Settings in Shopify and click Domains, and you'll find that My Shopify URL as well. And you're just going to want to put that right here into Boardroom. Next, I'm going to fill out a brand name for this store that I'm connecting. This is just a tag that Boardroom is going to use for your data, so you can search and sort and filter later on and run your reports on individual brands. So I'm going to put in my brand name here and click Next. That's going to direct me quickly over to the Shopify installation page here. I'll click Install App. Notice there are no additional charges because Boardroom lets you sync as many Shopify stores as you want for no extra cost. And boom, I get redirected back into Boardroom here, and I can see this green message that says we are uploading your data now, and we'll send you an email once it's done. So that's how you sync a new store into Boardroom. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.